Pawanmukta Asanas. These are basically related to our neck, and these are called Griva Sanchalan. To start, sit in cross-leg pose with hand resting on the knees. Slowly move the head backward and then forward, and try to touch the chin to the chest. Do not strain. Feel the stretch of the muscles in the front and back of the neck, and practice this for 10 times. Breathing, inhale on the backward movement, exhale on the forward movement. Now the second stage, remain in the same position, keep the eye closed. Slowly move the head to the right, bring the right ear close to right shoulder without raising the shoulder. Move the head to the left sides and bring the left ear close to the left shoulder. Do not strain. Inhale on upward movement and exhale on downward movement. Practice this for at least 10 times. Now the third stage, remain in the same sitting position. Keep the head upright and eyes closed. Gently turn the head to the right so that the chin is in the line with the right shoulder. Feel the release of tension in the neck muscles and the loosening of neck joints. Slowly turn to the head to the left as far as it's comfortable. Do not strain. Inhale while turning to the front and exhale while turning to the sides. Practice 10 times. Now the fourth stage, remain in the same position with the eyes closed. Slowly rotate the head downwards to the right, backward, and then to the left side in the relaxed, smooth, circular movement. Feel the shifting stretch around the neck and the loosening up of joints and muscles of the neck. Practice 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. Do not strain. Inhale as the head moves up and exhale as the head moves down. After the practice, keep the neck straight and the eyes closed. Be aware of the sensation in the head and neck. Thank you.